So, today we are going to revise the whole present tense: present simple, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous too. So, when we talk about present simple, remember one word. That word is statement. You are giving an statement. That statement can be a routine, can be habits, can be hobbies, can be a fact. With present simple, you have to remember one thing, that there will be no helping verb. You have to use only first form of verb. Okay? With the first form of verb without any helping verb. Technically, with the singulars we use does form, and with the plurals we use do form. When I say does form, you have to add s or es with the verb, and when I say do form, then there will be no s or es being added. Right? For example, routines, habits, hobbies, facts. Any example can be given. You see, I start my class at morning 7 a.m. Many people smoke cigarette. Many people drink wine. I love to sing whenever I have time. If I give the example of facts, the simple example that stars twinkle, sun rises, trees grow, flowers blossom. So, present simple simply statements, group of statements. Right, friends? If I talk about continuous, that somebody is doing something at this very moment. We are talking, we are learning, we are enjoying. Continuous, as name itself reflects, there must be an ing form with the helping verb is, am, are.
Sir, sir, I have a doubt in present simple.
Okay. Do one thing. What doubt do we have between present simple?
Sir, I made a sentence, but I don't think it make any sense. I made it according to the formula.
Please.
I give you, I give you money.
I give you money. मैं तुम्हें पैसे देती हूँ. See, in present simple is the group of statements. So either you are talking about routines, you can make the same sentence in a way that my mother gives me money. My mother gives me money on every first day of the month. Right? So it will
Sir,
give a
why not
sense.
I?
I also can
I
be used. I also can. I give money. I give money. Any subject can be there. Any subject can be there.
I give money.
हाँ, मैं पैसे देती हूँ, क्यों नहीं हो सकता है? अभी हम पूरा एक बार इसको ले लें, फिर मैं आपके डाउट एक बार सुन लेता हूँ. ठीक है, अभी पूरा एक बार हम ले लें. So I was talking about present continuous. In present continuous, in technically we use is, am, are, and ing form. As we talk about continuous, we have to use ing form. In Hindi you call it raha, and in English you call it ing form. We are learning, we are talking, we are enjoying, we are making sentences, we are understanding. Whatever you are doing at this time, that is present continuous. Now, let's talk about present perfect. Present perfect means now in present continuous work was going on, you are doing something. In present perfect, you have done it. You have done it and you are informing, or somebody else has done and you are getting confirmation. Right? In technical, we use has and have as a helping verb, and we use third form of main verb. right? So you inform, you have done something and you are informing. You say, sir, I have joined the class. Sir, few people have not joined the class yet. Sir, I have bought a new mobile. In general, in present simple, we do not mention the time when you have performed the action. You simply tells that action is done, right? Present perfect has nothing to do. Present perfect is not emphasizing when have you performed. In general, present perfect talks about that work is done. Now, let's talk about the last one, that is present perfect continuous. It's quite similar to present continuous. It's quite similar to present continuous because here also continuous is added. Wherever continuous is added, it itself means that work is in progress. So, in present perfect continuous also, the work is in progress, the work is going on, and you also add for how long that work is in progress. And to show the timing we use two words, since and for. Since is used when you mention the time when you started that work, and for is used when you mention the duration. जब आप कहते हो आप कितनी देर से कर रहे हो, तो फॉर, दैट कैन बी 2 hours, 3 hours, 2 days, 4 months, 1 year. सिंस का यूज करते हैं जब आप वो बताते हैं जब आपने काम शुरू किया था. आप कहते हो आई हैव बीन अटेंडिंग दिस क्लास सिंस मंडे, सिंस मॉर्निंग, सिंस 2020, कुछ भी हो सकता है, सिंस 3rd of May. और जब आप ड्यूरेशन बताते हो, आई हैव बीन अटेंडिंग दिस क्लास फॉर लास्ट हाफ एन आवर, आई हैव बीन अटेंडिंग दिस क्लास फॉर 1.5 hours, I have been attending this class for last 15 days, for last 1 week, anything. So when you are talking in terms of duration, then we use for, and when we are talking in terms of starting point, that may be called point of time, we use since. So in this way we have talked about the present simple, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. I hope it is quite clear to you now.